Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Edifier TWS1 Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to their factory default settings. You might need to do this for a couple reasons. If you're having connection issues with Bluetooth, it won't connect to Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of the things like that. Also, if you just want to forget all the devices and start fresh, a hard reset can do that. So all you need to do is you want to put the earbuds in their case and have the case open and have the case on. Once you've done that, you can just come here and tap 3 times on this button on the right here. 1, 2, 3. Once you do that, it should enter the reset mode, and you'll know that it's entered this reset mode because this white light will start to blink. And it will blink until the reset mode has completed, at which point it will re-enter the pairing mode, and you can go ahead and set these earbuds up as if they were new out of the box.